guys, some of y'all may recognize me again. It's getting that time of the year. If not, that's cool. My name is Garrett Maddox. I've done some videos last year on Instagram for the KWI Weld Institute and their contest. This year I'm actually joined by...
Hey guys, Dalton Grayson, new instructor here at KWI.
And we're actually going to talk to you about some of the tools and PPE you need to bring with you to our contest. So again, kind of diving into this stuff, we're going to kind of talk about some of the stuff we had last year. Last year we gave away a lot of cool prizes. We gave away a completely refurbished SA200 by Welder Whisperer. If you don't follow him on Instagram, you really need to check him out. He does some awesome work. We gave away a Lincoln machine, a Miller machine, a hypotherm plasma cutter. Gave away all kinds of scholarships. So again, if you haven't signed up for our contest, or if you're thinking about coming see us, there's no better way to come check the school out and take a tour when we're actually going to give you some money just for showing up. So again, diving into some of this stuff, we're going to kind of let Dalton take over and let him talk about some of the stuff you need to bring.
All right, so here at KWI, safety is our main concern, right? So you can either wear your clears or your 50/50s, what we call mirror. Get into your welding gloves, make sure you have those. All right, so your face shield, this is acceptable, and then we have our outlaw leather flip up. This is also acceptable.
And again, Outlaw Leather, they do an awesome job on making some hoods. We've actually got a few prizes coming from them. So again, if you don't have one of those hoods, or if you're thinking about getting one, be sure to check them out. Diving into some of the actual stuff you need to bring with you, you need to make sure you bring some clamps. Later on in the next video, me and Dalton are actually going to show you what we're actually going to do with this. You may substitute these out for a C-clamp, or what we call the vice grip locking clamps. You also need to bring you some actual practice metal. Make sure it's no longer than 6 inches. Our test plates are actually going to be 7. So again, you don't want to get those confused. And then making sure that you've got your chipping hammer and wire and brush. And then actually diving into it and bringing a grinder and all this stuff with you. When you bring your grinder, the size doesn't particularly matter, but again, just whatever grinder you're using, make sure the wheels and stuff you're using on it is actually rated for that grinder. Because again, like Dalton said, safety is really important for us, and we don't want one of those grinding wheels or cutting wheels to fly apart. You need to bring you a grinding rock, a flappy wheel or a tiger paw. It's kind of like a sanding disc, a cutting wheel for making repairs, and we're going to show you how to make a repair in some of the later videos, and then a wire wheel, so that way you can get your weld shined up and cleaned up and looking good for us that are done welding it. So again, guys, here, this is all the stuff you need to bring with you, and make sure you got it. We won't be providing any of this stuff. Everything else will be provided to you, stinger rods and all that stuff, but you got to make sure you bring all this stuff on your own. Make sure you got your own hood, like Dalton said here. Mine's got the actual flip-up lens that works as a safety grinding shield also, and then all this other stuff. Make sure you got your safety glasses and all your tools to prep and clean those welds. So again, guys, stay tuned. The next video coming up is going to be up on Fit Up and Prep. Make sure you stay tuned and get everything ready, and we'll show you how to get all that stuff done.